I'm Vui. Welcome to our home. I'm going to show you how to make Vietnamese pancakes today. It's basically a savory pancake with rice flour, turmeric, coconut milk, water, and a little sea salt for seasoning. Yes. To make this, you'll need 3 things: the batter, the fillings, the sauce, and of course, fresh herbs and veggies. So to get ready for this, I got some, the batter here, which is rice flour, tapioca flour, coconut cream, water, salt, and turmeric. And then for the fillings, for the fillings, I have some bean sprouts, some sliced onions, oyster mushrooms sliced, green onions, some shrimp, deveined and divided lengthwise, and also mung beans right here. Soak them overnight and have them ready for the next day. And also, if you're adventurous, I have some quail eggs here as well. I forgot one very important condiment. Our nước mắm chấm is basically sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, garlic, and chilies. And of course, water to dilute it a little bit. Blitz it in the blender, and it's ready to go. All right, time to cook. So let's get cooking. So the secret is to have all your prepped work ready. And here I have a nonstick pan and some oil. What I want to do is have it on medium-high heat, super, super, super hot. It's ready to go. What I'll do is add half a tablespoon of oil, stir it around, put a few, maybe 10 slices of white onions, about 10 slices of mushrooms, saute it until it's a little bit golden. Just like that. Let's get the batter ready. What you like is a 1/4 cup of batter in here. Right here. Stir it around to get the batter covered all over the entire pan. There we go. And now I'm going to get the additional fillings in here. I have a tablespoon of mung beans in here, scattered all around the pancake. To that, I'm going to place 3 pieces of shrimp. If you like more shrimp, you can add more to it. I think 3 is great for me. And then a handful of bean sprouts, a little scallion. What you want to do is have a lid, cover it, let it cook at the same heat for about 3 minutes. And then we'll uncover it and check it to see if it's crispy and brown on the bottom. So it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to uncover this and check it. It looks really good. The shrimp is cooked, the sprouts is great. You want to check to see if it's golden on the bottom. It's nice and golden. I like to let it sit open and cook for another minute to allow it to be crispier. So it's been a minute. I'm ready to fold this over omelet style. Fold the bottom part over to the shrimp side. Ooh, that looks good. Transfer to a plate right here. And let's eat. Enjoy this. You can enjoy it as is. And for me, I like it with fresh greens and some yummy Asian herbs right over here. I got mint, perilla leaf, and fish mint. Just really take a piece off and then wrap it. I have mustard greens right here with some herbs, and roll it over. It doesn't have to be neat. And then just dip it in your sauce and enjoy. Mmm. No double dipping. Mmm. So I hope you enjoy making this at home. See you next time. Girls, you like some olives?
No,